Right, this is my unboxing of the sound bomb. So, this is it in a very, very small box. Here, well, this is what it says, just here. Pretty blank box. So I'm going to flip the top. So it's very, very small. Here it is. So as you can see, it is just a just one, like, there's no instructions with it, so that helps, but you'd fix it up like that. I'd probably fix it up like that next to my Optimus. So yep, there we are. Oh, the ends are pretty stripped, but I'll probably have to strip a bit more. So yep, there we are. I'll do a video of it in the Optima, but it's just unboxing for now. So like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.